Hello, today we will guide you through how to change appearance on Linktree profile. If you want to refresh the look of your Linktree page, the design area is where you'll make those visual updates. In this walkthrough, we'll move through the main appearance settings so you can adjust the overall style of your profile in a simple, organized way. To begin, go to the Linktree admin page. This is the main dashboard where you manage your Linktree profile and settings. Once you're there, give the page a moment to load fully so all navigation options are visible. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Design. This section contains the visual customization tools for your Linktree profile. Opening Design is the first step to changing how your page looks to visitors. After that, click on Theme. The theme area is where you can explore the overall style of your Linktree page. This usually affects the general visual feel, so it's a good place to start if you want to make a broad appearance change before fine-tuning smaller details. Once you've reviewed the theme options, click on Header. The header controls the top section of your Linktree profile, which is often one of the first things people notice. Updating this area can help your page feel more polished and more consistent with your personal brand or business style. From there, click on Wallpaper. This is where you can adjust the background visuals of your profile. Changing the wallpaper can have a big impact on the overall appearance, so it helps to choose something that keeps your page readable while also matching the tone you want to present. If your links need to stand out clearly, a clean and balanced background usually works best. Finally, click on Colors. In this section, you can update the color settings used throughout your profile. This is useful for making your page feel more cohesive. As you choose colors, try to keep contrast in mind so text, buttons, and links remain easy for visitors to read and interact with. That's it. By going to Linktree Admin, opening Design, and then reviewing Theme, Header, Wallpaper, and Colors, you can quickly personalize the appearance of your Linktree profile. Take your time with each section so the final look feels consistent and intentional. Once your updates are in place, your profile should better reflect your style while staying clear and user-friendly.